Hello guys, it is Hiba. So I'm packing up my room because it's the end of sophomore year, and I realized I have like a bunch of DIY hacks that I have in my room that like made living in a dorm way easier. So I figured I'd make this really quick video and just show you. Okay, so the first hack is just putting 2 push pins into your wall, and it acts as like a cord holder. I used to do that with this cord too, but then I just put a Velcro on it and it actually ended up staying better. But when I'm done, I just put this right there and it keeps it secure on the wall and up there so it's not like all cluttered on the bottom. Let's make a hanging DIY jewelry holder. I have a YouTube video about this. I'll have it linked in the description down below, but my dad just made this for me. And if you utilize wall space, you just save so much space in the long run by not using desk space. And then you have a cute wall decoration too. Next thing I did was just me being cheap and lazy. I originally bought this marble cup to hold my pen, scissors, and other stuff in. And then I made my own divider in it. I literally just took like scrap paper I had and made dividers in here. So now my pens have a separate compartment, the scissors have a separate compartment, and then the Sharpie and pen do here so that nothing intermingles or whatever the word is, and it all just stays in its own compartment. So if you didn't want to buy a separate dedicated divider, you just buy a big cup and make your own dividers. Really simple. It's literally just putting a command hook on the nearest surface to your bed and then just dangling an extension cord on it. And on this, I plug in my phone charger, a fan at night if I need to. Having a hook next to my bed makes it so much easier to have my phone charger right next to me, and then I don't have to awkwardly like go to that side of the wall to use my phone at night. That hack like changes from year to year because like last year I had it hanging on my wall next to my head, and then this year I have it on my dresser next to me. So basically just make a rig to have an extension cord near you, and then you'll always have a charger near you and you won't have to be awkward when using your phone. And this next hack is for when dorms say you can't have like command hooks on your walls or something. You take some tape and you make a little edge on it, and then you put that on your wall. Then you put the command hook on that, so when it's the end of the year and you have to take the hook off, there's no residue left on your wall because it's actually just tape, and then you take the tape off. If this all works, I had this tape piece behind it, then I had a little ledge on it, and it all worked out in the end because the command hook didn't leave a residue on the wall. This came off easily, and it's still stuck all year. The last thing I have, which I have a DIY video coming out for soon, is make a DIY beauty blender holder for it to dry. And I sound kind of enthusiastic about this because it's literally so cool. I saw one of these in stores and it was like $15 or something, and I'm like, literally you just get wire and make your own beauty blender holder, and you can put it in this when it's drying so that it doesn't get like moldy and smelly, and it's cute, like an accessory for your makeup area. I have a DIY coming out for that soon, so stay tuned for that. Sorry if this video seemed rushed. I was just trying to get this out real quick so I can keep packing up stuff. Some main takeaway points are that extension cords are your friend. I have those everywhere. And then also put tape behind command strips. It is such a lifesaver. If I come up with any more hacks while I'm packing up, I'll just include them in the video, but otherwise I think that is all I have for today. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can DM me. I have my socials in the description down below, or you can just comment them. That is all I have, I think. So I will see you guys next time.